किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है।
Life is measured by the breaths we take. Today, I think it is it is measured by the number of moments that take your breath away. And there are there are so many people who walk this planet with us. And but there are very few who have this special mojo to touch, to give that magic, to impart that magic. Today is a celebration of that special magic that my brother, Dr. Sanjay Dhawan, had. It's a festival of smiles. It is a joyous celebration as we bid him adieu. Please, so we are, I'm sorry, we would like to traverse this his life through pictures, through reminiscences. We would just like to revisit the joy and the lion-hearted spirit with which he led his life. And that is his true legacy for all of us. And we love you all. We are so grateful that you are a part of our lives. Thank you. The first.
Now we'll, I think, to celebrate or to enjoy the memories of my brother, I will request Ananya Manchanda, our adopted daughter, to do a small prayer for him.
Thank you. My mom would also like to join me. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान नाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे।
Sanjay, my brother, मेरा मोटा भाई, was with us physically till the 4th of this month. But he was born on 23rd August 1961 in Amritsar. When he was born, who will know him more than my eldest uncle, my Chacha ji? And I will request Chacha ji, Indrajit Chacha ji, to speak a few words for him. But before that, I will request everybody, that so many speakers, just to keep it, small and sweet. Thank you, Chacha. Please continue.
हजारों वर्ष नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है। हजारों वर्ष नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है। बड़ी मुश्किल से पैदा होता है इस चमन में दीदावर कोई। बड़ी मुश्किल से पैदा होता है चमन में दीदावर कोई। My metaphoric allusion is to Dr. Sanjay Vadhavan, a rare person with unique qualities of head and heart. If you look at his life, he was greatness, rather brilliance personified as a child, as a student, as a trainee physician, as a trained physician, as postgraduated physician, and as a son, as a husband, as a father, as a doctor, as a man in universe. And I would like to say that he lived by literally the oath administered to the doctors. Reference is to that Greek great doctor in whose name Hippocrates, doctor of Greek classical age, who is regarded as father of modern medicine, he lived by the oath which is administered to all the doctors. He relieved the misery of thousands of people, and he was, I would say, a person incarnate of all nobility and all that quality which a doctor should possess. As a father, again I am referring to as a father, as a husband, as a son, as a man in universe, and as a unique person, he served the suffering humanity, relieving the misery of the millions of people and doing the job in the real sense that a doctor has to do and should do. And he has set an example to the universe what a doctor should do and what a doctor can do. And unfortunately, God's love, the person and whom they love, they take away him at a young age. And he has left at an age when he could have served number of people, number of persons, relieving them of their misery. May God bless him and accept him in his own fold. And I can only say that God had sent him in this universe with a purpose. And when that purpose was being served as per the concept of God Almighty, he took him away from us. Probably a greater purpose he wanted to serve by depriving us of his greatness. God bless him. God bless him. And peace be to all. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
As we were growing up, a very integral part of our family was our younger Chachaji. He used to be in the army and he would come home and instill all the discipline and all the army etiquette into us. And I would like him to say something, to share a few memories.
Well, I will first pray to God to give me courage to speak on this occasion. I would chant Om 5 times and request you to join me in this. And then I will talk about him. Om, 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 Om. Well, dear Sanjay had sterling qualities which nobody can beat. He was a family man, a face always smiling. Perhaps he believed in the old saying of BBC that if somebody doesn't have a smile, give yours to him. He was always smiling. This is what I have seen in my life. And then he had a great sense of humor. As a friend, we used to chat, we used to talk about things. And including his patients, he never let them feel sad. He will treat them, then he'll crack a joke with them so they feel light and absolutely free to discuss their ailments with him. He was loved by all his patients. He was a great doctor. Now, I would like to quote 2 analogies for his sterling qualities. One is of a flower. It is Srikanta or Nilakanta. I have seen it when I was posted in the Himalayas on Indo-Tibet border way back in 1972. We used to go to patrols, Limithura, Mangshedura, those extreme passes with the Chinese, and route was in Narayan Ashram. A Swamiji used to look after that ashram. And early morning, he used to go and collect those flowers. These flowers only, the plant only gives flowers once in 2 years or 3 years. So our Sanjay was a real flower like that. He was one of the rarest flowers. Perhaps one of the saints had taken him to offer worship to the gods. The second analogy I want to quote is from the history. You all have heard of Kohinoor, the beautiful stone. It was mined from Golconda mines near Hyderabad and exchanged so many hands with the kings. It was so precious that every king wanted to own it. And finally, it was the Britishers who stole this from young boy Dalip Singh, the son of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. And this Kohinoor is now adorning the crown of Queen Elizabeth. I'm sanguine. Our crown, our Kohinoor, has been stolen by God to adorn his own crown, and he's left as totally poor. Now, for the prayers, I would like to quote 2 verses from Adi Granth written by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The verse 1102 says, whatever we do, it is ordained by the Lord. From the beginning, O Lord, all actions are performed within your will. So perhaps our family is now destined to accept the will of the God. The second verse I would like to quote is about 972, again from Adi Granth, written by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Now it describes the various regions in heaven. Now heaven has got 7 regions. The first 3 regions are just good, but the upper 3 regions are just supreme. I will only type, because of shortage of time, I will only describe the last 3 upper regions. The 5th region is for the saints, where the saints resides. And the 6th region is where the gods reside, like Indra Devta, Shivji, they reside in the 6th region. And the 7th region is the ultimate, is the purest form. The 7th region is where the supreme power resides. So now we shall pray to God that the noble soul of a family is given a place in the 7th region, which is called Sachkhand. And I will request you all to join me in the final prayer of Om Shanti by chanting this mantra only 7 times because of the paucity of time. We will pray to God by chanting this mantra to give him place in the supreme zone of the heaven, so that the soul gets the eternal peace and merges with the supreme power. Once again, we'll fold our hands and chant Shanti mantra 7 times, because there are 7 regions, so that it crosses all 6 regions and reaches the 7th region of the heaven. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. God bless him. God bless him. Namaskar to everybody.
When we are growing up, we had a great friend with us in our growth. He was a Mamaji. And my Chacha, you just spoke, इन्होंने हमें बड़े होना सिखाया जी, जिंदगी जीना सिखाया जी. He was more of a friend. उनके लिए भी दूसरा घर, rather first home was always our Green Avenue home. Now I'll request Mamaji speak few words for him. Just hold on. Yes.
I hope everybody can listen to me. Well, today we have gathered to remember our very, very dear Sanjay and share his sweet memories. You see, Sanjay has been a very precious member of our family. and a very, very integral part of our own life, everybody's life. So loving, with a ready smile, so handsome. His departure has left a great vacuum in our life, which is almost impossible to fill. I have personally very sweet memories of Sanjay, right from childhood onwards. Right from Manipur, where he used to ride with me on the cycle as a very sweet child. And then wherever I was, when I was in Roorkee, when I was in Chandigarh, you know, as Ajay has mentioned, Amritsar was my second home. And I left no opportunity to drive down to Amritsar and be with my family, with Sanjay, Ajay, and Anu, everybody. Enjoy. हमने पतंगबाजी साथ में की है, हमने क्रिकेट खेली है, गली क्रिकेट. हम कुछ 2-4 शीशे भी तोड़े होंगे विंडोज के, but I used to always take the blame because Bhanji had a very soft corner for me. So, but another thing I want to mention, Sanjay and Ajay, both they were brilliant students, brilliant sportsmen also. मैं उनको बुलाता रहता था, भी आओ चलो खेलते हैं. वो कहते मामा जी अभी आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा होमवर्क रह गया, अभी आते हैं. So these are very sweet memories. हमने सारे फेस्टिवल्स इकट्ठे बनाना वहां पर, एवरी दिवाली, दशहरा जो भी था, आई वुड बी इन अमृतसर. सी मामा भांजा का जो रिश्ता होता है ना, इट्स ए वेरी वेरी स्वीट एंड वेरी क्लोज रिलेशन. बट इन माय केस इट वाज मच मोर देन दैट एक्चुअली. He was, as he grew up from the childhood to a manhood, he became a professional, he became a brilliant doctor. You see, he was like a younger brother to me, and a very close friend also. We shared everything, and also a very sweet companion. कई दफे हमने दोनों ने इकट्ठे ट्रैवल किया है, हरिद्वार, ऋषिकेश. We used to love each other's company actually. And you know, in fact, when I was in Delhi, तो एक बार आया वो मेरे साथ वहाँ पे शॉपिंग कर रहा था स्प्रॉट प्लेस पे. मैंने कहा चलो भाई लेट्स हैव लंच खाते हैं काके के ढाबे में. तो कहता मामा जी आप खाओ, मेरे को तो ज़्यादा भूख नहीं है. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ईटिंग ही वाज लुकिंग एट मी. तो कहता मामा जी आपको देख के मेरे को भी भूख लग गई है, द वे यू आर ईटिंग मेरे को भी भूख लग गई है. तो यू नो इट्स सो सिंपल. ही यूज्ड टू टेक प्लेजर इन स्मॉल थिंग्स. जैसे देयर कहावत है ना कि इट्स सो simple to be happy, but so difficult to be simple. I think in his case, he always maintained that it's so simple to be happy and not very difficult to be simple. उसका life, the whole उसका जो personality जो थी ना, he has a very charismatic personality actually. So जो लोग भी उसको याद करते हैं, अभी मेरे को कई फोन आते हैं, and people always remember him. Even those people who have met him once or twice only, they with disbelief and shock, but they have one thing in common. He says कि he was a gem of a person. उसके साथ ऐसा लगता था अपनापन है बिल्कुल. And as some of my friends have mentioned that he was a great doctor, very hardworking, भागा-दौड़ी करता रहता था. Not only it is lost to our family, it's lost to the nation. He was a true Corona warrior in the true sense. After I settled in fact, he had when he was young, the first alcoholic drink he had with me. जब हम नोएडा में सेटल हुए आके, तो last 30 years we were together now because he also came from Amritsar and settled down here. I have seen him work hard, establish himself gradually, made a name for himself as a top physician, and he created a lot of goodwill for himself. He had a lot of difficulties. He had a turbulent phase in his life. I have seen all that. And, in spite of establishing himself, I always felt that whenever we used to talk to each other, I always felt that something was missing. And then Ashima came in his life. And Ashima really brought a lot of happiness. I could see that. उसके बाद फिर आर्शिया आरजू आए, and I used to feel that now he's really feeling a lot of contentment. And he had wonderful friends, really loving friends, company. Ajay was there all the time with him as a family support. He was a very devoted son. Parents का इतना प्यार से ध्यान रखना, very loving father and very caring husband. In fact, he used to love everybody. See, that was his quality. And in fact, now before I finish it off, I would like to mention that some of his qualities. Even when he was struggling, he had difficulties in life, he never lost faith in himself. He was so courageous. No bitterness. Normally, a person becomes bitter when he faces so many difficulties. But I saw him always smiling, even with his outward happy-go-lucky exterior. I know he was a very sensitive and very serious person inside. But he never lost his balance. And that we should learn from him. He truly believed in tolerance and acceptance. बस मेरे को एक ही गिला है अब जाते जाते उससे. I really have a shikwa with him that लोगों को भलाई करते करते, लोगों को look after करते करते भाग दौड़ में उसने अपना ध्यान नहीं रखा. I believe, I guess that is the quality of a true warrior. But that we will always cherish his memories now. I hope wherever he is, he's happy. God is looking after him. And let God bless his soul. As far as we are concerned, हमारे लिए तो जिंदगी भर की sweet memories छोड़ गया हो. Om Shanti.
My father had 5 sisters, and we have a very large extended family. We cannot invite everyone to speak, but I would like to request Tinu to say a few words. Please keep it short and sweet as we are running out of time. Tinu, please.
Tinu, your voice is not coming.
Can you unmute yourself?
Unmute yourself first.
Tinu, please unmute yourself.
Tinu, you speak. I think you're not on mute. Is Harsh around? Okay, I think there's a problem there.
There's a problem.
There's a problem with Tinu. I think so. Some audio problem is going on. So, जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, I think Sanjay was 7 years and I was 6 years when we shifted to this house of Green Avenue. Most of you people will remember that house. उस घर के आसपास there were many people and we have used to play in the ground. अपने घर के आसपास अपने मोहल्ला में खेलना. And we made a lot of friends there and we started going to school. I don't know who's there from the school, but I think Sanjeev Lakhanpal, my dear friend, he was part of us in the school and he knew Sanjay during our growing up years till the class 10. Is Sanjeev there?
Yes, I'm here, Chotu.
Oh, thank you, Gudu.
No, yaar, it's when initially we heard this news, it was so shocking to find our Papaji, as we all would call him in those days. And you know, the sweetest memories I have of him were that he was our collective older brother. He was not just your older brother, Chotu, he was the brother for all of us. I mean, he taught us so many principles. वैसे ही साडे मापियों ने काफी principles सिखाते सी, आंटी अंकल ने इन्ने सिखाते सी, ऊपरों संजय पापा जी the principles. And you know, it's just, he would always look at us and treat us all like his younger brothers, just like he would treat you, Chotu. And that never stopped. Every time, you know, we would visit you, and he would always be there, and in a pyar naal. And you know, as Mama ji just said, through all of the challenges he went through also, he just always remained that giving, ever giving older brother. And you know, it's just sad that we are here, but again, we have to accept, and just, we will really, really miss Sanjay, and wish him peace, and wish the entire family, lovely daughters, his amazing wife, just the strength to bear this. Thank you very much. Om Shanti, 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 Om.
Thank you, Guru.
After schooling, he went to medical college. And I think the best part of one's life is childhood, schooling, and professional life. And I think professional life da koi match nahi hai zindagi ch. We make lot of friends. Sanjay de ki friends sade common friends hunde si, and memorize those days.
The holies and the
I think I will request Geeta. Earlier Dhingra, we remember Dhingra, but now Geeta Verma. Geeta, your video is not on. Yes, thank you. I'll request her to speak few words. We do remember.
79, we go back 79 to 1979, Green Avenue. आप लोगों के घर हमने सबने आना, आंटी के हाथ का खाना खाना, खूब एंजॉय करना, और उसने कोशिश की थी हमें स्कूटर सिखाने की एज चिल्ड्रन. याद है अनु दीदी? नहीं आई स्कूटर, नहीं आया स्कूटर चलाना. और पढ़ाई के लिहाज से वो इतना ज्यादा स्मार्ट था. लाइक हम लोग रो रहे होते थे कि कल एग्जाम है, और कहता तुम लोग को तो पढ़ना ही नहीं आता, ये देखो फ्लो चार्ट्स बना के और ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, गुटकों से पढ़ते हैं. गुटका वाज द वर्ड वी लर्न फ्रॉम हिम. हम तो ग्रेज एनाटॉमी में सिर डाल के घुसे रहते थे. सो he came across as a shy person, but he was this confident, cheerful, very, very intelligent guy, and बहुत हेल्पफुल, हर एक की हेल्प करता था, और बहुत मिस करेंगे उसको. संजय का नाम लेते ही बस मुंह पे स्माइल आ जाती है. संजय, no, shiny. So gonna miss him. Yeah.
Thanks, Geeta.
And usko memorize karte. Is Manveen there? I think Manveen is one person.
She's there.
Same
She's
group. Yeah, thank you, Manveen.
She's there.
Sharveen Maan. Sharveen Maan. Manveen. She's here. She's here.
Let's ask Sharveen to speak. Sharveen Maan will speak.
Hi, good morning. Forgive me if I break down, please.
No, don't do that, please. Don't do that.
See what संजय ने जो सिखाया ना, कि हर चीज हर जो ਤੁਹਾਡੀ difficulty है, we have to face with a smile. I mean, I think he was born to live with a smile. Any difficulty he faced ever in his life, he just said कोई ना निकल जाएगी, कुछ नहीं होता. These were few words that तेनू पता है ना मैं सही हैगा. मतलब these are things that have, you know, gone right here. And I think there are very few people who could touch so many lives during their lifetime. It's when he fell ill, it was like a bolt from the blue for us, because Sadi class, the group which he was giving all the COVID protocols for everybody. Do this, do that, do this. Even after he fell ill, I consulted him for few people who were ill over here. Ki Sanjay kediyan investigations karawa. है ना? They were old people, and I don't know what God had in his mind, but despite all the hurdles that he faced, every difficulty that he faced in his life, after Ashima touched his life, there was a glow, there was a happiness, there was a brightness in his eyes, which was there for all of us to see. I mean, the smile on his face became even wider than what it was ever before. So my heart really goes out to all of you. It's in these times, you know, like we cannot be there with you in person, but believe me, in spirit, we have been with you all through this whole ordeal. And I think we'll probably continue in the same way.
Yes.
That's about all that I can say. Like, you know, right, his life has been like a hurdle race. I was talking to Puneet the other day, I think, and I said that the last hurdle was too tough for him to probably jump over. And maybe that force up there needs him more than he needs us. And we need to learn from his life that we should never, ever give up. And please, Ashima, Ajay, Anu Didi, we are all always there for him. Always there for him, for you, for everybody. I mean, just a call away, please. And something from my husband, please, just for a minute.
ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਕਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਐਡੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਹਸਤੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ। ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਖੁਸ਼ ਤਬੀਅਤ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਸੀਗਾ। ਐਂਡ ਮੋਰ ਓਵਰ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਕੀਨ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਘੱਟ ਸਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਨੂੰ, ਤੇ ਸੋ ਹੀ ਵਾਜ਼ ਆਰ ਟੀਚਰ ਆਲਸੋ। ਔਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਪੇਪਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਮਤਲਬ ਹੀ ਸੱਚੇ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਪਰਸਨ, ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਆ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤੇ ਹੀ ਵਾਜ਼ ਪਾਰਟ ਆਫ ਅਸ, ਸਾਡਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਗ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ। ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਬਿਰਾਜਮਾਨ ਰੱਖੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਆਤਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
ਬਾਕੀ ਅਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ, ਅਸ਼ਮਾ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰ।
Now, I think to the partner in his books and soul, I'll request Harish.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, where are you? Where is he?
Yes.
Acha.
Hanji, I'm in Virginia, US. You know, we all talk, you know, all of us, we know we lost a part of our body, a part of our soul. But Sanjay's magic goes beyond friends. This morning, I haven't had the courage to tell my mom yet because she will be shocked. I haven't had the courage. I don't know when I will tell her. And this morning, I was talking to my sister. Sanjay came for her wedding in Panipat. And she remembers the same, his smiling face and his helpful nature. My niece visited me in Delhi when we were in Batra. And she was 15-year-old at that time. She's in Delhi. And so I was talking to her this morning, and she knew Sanjay has passed away. I told her, and she said, yeah, I remember. He came, she was visiting me in Delhi in the apartment in Batra, and Sanjay came at lunchtime. And she said, yeah, Sanjay, uncle had such a smiling face, such a loving personality. So his magic goes beyond, people who knew him immediately. So we clicked, I think right in the first year, after a few weeks, and within few weeks, he took me home. And the Green Avenue home became my home right there. And then, the friendship grew stronger and stronger. My mom got eye surgery with Dr. Daljit Singh, and I took her to the hospital. And he came and saw me, and he said, "Ek hi kita, ithe kive rehnge, kar le kya?" So, he took mommy to your home, and my mom stayed there for several days while she was recovering from eye surgery. And auntie and uncle were equally welcoming, and they took care of my mom at that time. The whole family is amazing. And I think the DNA of the family, obviously, he got from uncle and auntie. And we have taken a part of uncle and auntie with us. Anu Didi, can you remember? Even here, even my son knows Katori dinner. Can you believe that?
Yes.
Even here in America, someday, you don't want to cook, chalo katori dinner karo auntie wala. We still do that. Jo khana thoda thoda bacha hai 2-3 din da, we take it out, that we learned from auntie, So we do that here. So, there are so many memories. There are so many memories. So all of us really, truly have lost a part of our life. And so what Sanjay is, what uncle and auntie were. So last time, Chotu, when I came to Sanjay's place, and मैं अंकल को मिलिया ना, मैं अंकल की हाल है जी, कहते बेटा इस उम्र से जो हाल होना चाहिए था ना, उस तो बहुत बढ़िया है. And I have told this statement to all my family members. Such a spirit, and that's what Sanjay's spirit was. Obviously, Sanjay is what uncle and auntie, or the whole, So uncle di gal mainu inni yaad hai. So kende beta is umar ch jo haal hona chahiye tha us to bahut vadiya. So last I talked to Sanjay in beginning of November, and he said, I'm having cough. I've taken off today, and tomorrow I will get my COVID test. And then I told him I want to talk to uncle. He said, okay, I'll call you in a few days, and main teri uncle ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਫਿਰ. So this was in the beginning of November. Yeah. What else I can say? It's so sad. But we have to learn from his life. And God bless you all. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Harish. Puneet, are you there? I think you want to say something. Puneet Dhawan, are you there?
Yes. Well, Sanjay, it would have always been a pleasure to talk about Sanjay today, yesterday, tomorrow. But you see, in wildest of dreams, I would have never thought that posthumously I'll have to pay homage to him. Yeah, it was a friendship extending to 45 years. Most of the things everybody has told. Despite being a compassionate doctor and an excellent clinician, a good friend, an excellent human being, so many things we can talk. We almost together shifted to Delhi from Amritsar, and we have been chatting with each other regarding the profession and settling down and other things. So many memories to cherish. Like Harish told, when we used to go from the college to your house, He was such a good cook also. Nobody mentioned. First of all, when we went to, हम कहता घर में auntie uncle were in the college. तो कहते कुछ नहीं बने, हम चावल बना लेते. मैं कहता हूँ आंटे कहता की है, जिन्हें चावल पाओ उन्हें पानी पाओ, चावल बन जाने 10 मिनट में चावल बनावांगे. When we went to his house, say 2 months back for a kitty, one dish he always used to make. कहता भाई मटन तो मैं बनाया, बाकी है ने बनाया. I am going through all the professional life and his other personal life. Professional life, I remember one incident. मैं क्या किन्हीं गलत तरीके ना फंस रहे हैं यार, तुम कहना थे चारों पासे फैला देने हैं. कहते यार निकल गई ना गल, छड़ परे, अपने नु भी शांति करांगे, दूजे नु भी शांति करांगे. Truth is always going to prevail. Same way, he took all the obstacles, all the hurdles in life in such a spirit, such a positive spirit. And that is the lesson he has given to us. To live a life to a fullest, you don't have to live for more years or grudge upon the obstacles. Live life to the fullest. Every moment he would live. I met few of his juniors, over 5 years, 7 years juniors. They would remember, yaar kida vadiya cricket khelda si. In our IMA East Delhi branch circle, all those who had played cricket, because you remember you, Ajay and Sanjay both were part of our cricket team in East Delhi. And all the people, though remember, oh yes, Sanjay, he was such a good sportsman. He was such a good person. I mean, total whole together a personality, compassionate doctor. I remember I was practicing in East Delhi. I'm still there. The one patient, somehow there in a case of jaundice, people generally used to go in Delhi to those people in Chandni Chowk and get those things. So my experience was that anybody who goes there, somehow the complicating rates are more. So I told one of the patients who was near to my clinic, said that once you have gone there, I will not treat you. Don't take up the patient who have gone there. Somehow he got a contact with Sanjay. His sister was in Noida, his sister, and therefrom he made Sanjay call me. कि भाई वो पेशेंट का यार वो मेरा जानकार है, कॉल लगे हैं. But he could make a relationship in every conversation. Everybody he would meet, he'll create a relation. So that was the beauty about him. That is what we are going to learn from him. Had it been a worldly decision, I would have, challenged what has happened in any court. But now what has happened has happened. The destiny had that way. So we have to take a positive things out of him. He had a very good associate in Ashima. The care he got in AIMS was wonderful, because I also tried to tap my contacts and see that everything is being done. The one reply used to come, Ashima Nehra. I never knew she was Nehra. Ashima Nehra is already there. People told me, yeah, everything is being done best. Everybody is looking after him. You don't worry about that. So, being a good person, he got a good response also from the world, but he'll be always missed by us. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Puneet.
Sanjay was not only a friend to you all, Puneet, Munmeen, Mansa. Sanjay was also a friend and elder brother to all my classmates, what Guddu Sanjeev Lakhanpal has said. Just to memorize a few words, I think, from Rajesh Khanna or his Papa. We all used to call him Papa.
Hello, it's so difficult to accept the fact that Papa is not there. As Sanjeev said and Chotu also said, he was our collective elder brother. And for me, I always thought him as a rock who would always be there. And we were so part, having grown up in Amritsar, and then he settled in Noida and I was in Banaras. But koi problem howe, family di, personal, professional opinion lena howe, he was always the go-to guy. Saal 2 saal gal na karo, but suddenly you think kisi da opinion chahiye. Sanjay was the person you would go to him, and it's such a shock, and obviously for everybody. may God bless him. We'll miss him. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Khanna.
Thank you, Khanna.
As then zindagi chali aage.
Thank you for all the help that you have given me.
Oh, that's fine.
दीदी का ब्याह हो गया जी थोड़े दिन बाद मैं भी ब्याह कर लिया पहला संजय तो then the family we had my brother-in-law Rajesh Kochhar OI then Bhaiya, do you remember him? How you remember him?
So one is I think I'm blessed and fortunate to be a member of this family. My memory for him goes back 35 years. And I think everybody has said so much about him, so there is not much I can add. I only have a couple of things to say. One, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can.
So I owe him 4 lives. My son, my mother, myself, and my darling wife. And that's one. And the other is, I think, for all of us and for myself, our greatest tribute to him would be to pick at least one quality which we have seen in this great man. For me, I would like to take 2 qualities from him. One, live in the moment, have a smile on your face all the time, independent of what you're going through. And second is give. Give generously. I have not seen a person with such a big heart. I mean, everybody has said that, but you know, he would do it. I remember when our elder son Aditya got married, he came to Anu, my wife, and said, Didi, tenu na kisi bhi cheez di zarurat ho na tune. I mean, I'm sorry, my Punjabi is not good because he said it in Punjabi, but I will say it in Hindi. He says, Didi, teko kisi bhi cheez ki zarurat ho na, kisi se mat kehna, bas tu mujhe keh dena. Main hu na tere liye.
Don't talk to your husband. Come to me.
Come to me. So I don't know. I was telling Anu this morning, and she's not been able to sleep, and I cannot understand her pain. I cannot understand the pain which all of you are going through. But you know, it's amazing that what that person has been able to do and bring to everybody's life. And I hope and I pray that, you know, we can all imbibe from him at least a little. And I think that would be everyone's greatest tribute to him. And I'm really blessed to have been, you know, I used to call him anytime. And he's an amazing person. I have yet to see such an amazing person. I am really fortunate to be a member of this family.
Thank you.
That's all I have to say. Thank you.
And
Ashima, we love you. You take care. And we love your little girls.
To death.
And we are there for you. We are there for you. Thank you.
Life moved on. And in the family, we had the first child, Aditya.
Hartali Ram.
Hartali Ram. We were all on strike when he was born, so his name was Hartali Ram.
All the kids, everyone came to see him.
Chaitanya, Aditya, and Rashmi. Very short. We are running short of time. I can tell you this.
Aditya.
Thank you everybody for being here. Thank you so much. Sanjay Mamu was a very kind and very generous man. And he was generous with his love. He was generous with his time. I would just like to share one memory of him that I have. It is just a one-on-one memory, but I think it is a good time to share it with everybody because it exemplifies his character and his nature. So this was almost 20 plus years ago. We were still in Aurangabad. We were celebrating New Year. We were celebrating New Year and we would go to this hotel which is called Meadows. And कुछ उससे एक साल पहले I think we had gone to another hotel and we had won some prize or gift. So I was hoping कि इस बार भी हम कुछ जीतेंगे वहां जाके. And वहां पे there was huge DJ, huge music going on, and DJ announced कि जो best dance करेगा, that person will win a prize. And I was like, this is my opportunity and I need to find a partner who can help me win this prize. Sanjay Mamu did not question it even once. He was like, हाँ करेंगे, let's do it. We went, we did round 1, मतलब इतना dance किया, मतलब I cannot remember anything apart from dancing. उसके बाद we went, had dinner, and then the DJ announced, this is your last chance, you have to come and win. This is your last opportunity. खाना खा रहे थे, but I told Mamu, let's go, and he left everything. उन्होंने सब छोड़ दिया. He didn't care. He didn't listen to anybody else. He was just like, he just dropped everything. And he was like, चल बेटा, let's go. We did everything. जो सारे आपने किटी में डांस मूव्स देखे हैं ना, सब वहीं उसी दिन इन्वेंट हुए थे. हम दोनों ने मिलके इन्वेंट किए थे उस दिन. And we danced our heart out. We didn't win, and I was disappointed, but when I think about it now, 7-year-old me was disappointed, but today 30-year-old me is not disappointed because I have that memory of him. So in the end, we won. I mean, and thank you so much again, everybody. Thank you so much for coming and listening and honoring him. We will miss him deeply, and yeah, thank you so much.
You want to say 2 words?
I do. I just want to say that I called him Tauji. Tauji was the coolest uncle we had when I was growing up. And I remember driving my first car, sitting behind a steering wheel when my feet didn't even reach the pedal. Abhinav and I would fight कि कौन आज Tauji की गोदी में बैठ के गाड़ी चलाएगा. I just remember that, and I am so grateful for have known him. Yeah, thank you.
Abhinav.
Second child in the family was Abhinav. Yes.
Abhinav, would you like to speak something? Abhinav, please.
So, yeah. So, I was basically the son he had. Aditya was there, but he was not physically present every time. So I was the son he had. The best thing is that I never had to ask him anything. And whatever I needed, it was there in some shape and form in the next few days. Most of my firsts was Tauji. For a child, for a teenager, various things matter. My first shaving kit and my only shaving kit was given by Tauji. My first cricket kit bag was given by Tauji. My first drink was with Tauji. So I remember there was this. Most of people will remember there was this gun which had come, which is a very, very dangerous toy gun called Mauser. He had gone to Malaysia or Indonesia or some other country. The first thing he used to do is he used to ensure that I eat eggs. So whichever country he used to go, he used to invent a dish with regards to that egg. It was a very simple dish, but that was the country's dish. He got that Mauser to me, and I had no clue that he knew that I wanted that. This was 21, 22 years back. The second thing which he really enjoyed was, or he hated was that kids, all of us, eating vegetarian food. He hated that. He wanted us only to eat non-veg. We wanted to go to McDonald's. He used to get only one burger, which was a non-veg burger. No vegetarian food, no French fries, nothing. It was only non-veg for him. Every second day, he used to say, "आज chicken बनेगा." कौन सा chicken बनेगा पता नहीं, लेकिन बन जाएगा chicken. The third thing is, we have grown up, we have learned a few things in life, but we couldn't match his dance steps ever. His dance steps were insane. You try. We've got one of the best dancers out here, Arun Bhaiya and Rajan Bhaiya. They could also match his stamina and his dance steps. But most importantly, all my friends and all the cousins who are not related to Tauji, they used to call my father uncle. They used to call my Tauji Tauji. So he was not only my Tauji, he was a global Tauji. And that's something which which has resonated with everybody. Gudu uncle, Khanna uncle says he was their elder brother. For my friends, he was their Tauji. And that's the thing. I think the memories we have, we never have. I don't have a sad memory of him, and that's the thing about him, that you remember him and you always remember few things which associate with you, and that's what Tauji is all about.
That's why we are here, Abhinav, to remember the good memories. Okay.
Thank you, beta.
Be strong.
Thank you.
Chintu,
Chaitanya, it's your turn.
it's your turn and be very short. There's a lot short of time.
कैमरा ऑन है? हाँ जी, कैमरा ऑन है जी। मैं संजय मामू के बारे में क्या बोलूँगा? There's one story I can share about him, which I think encompasses the man. This was the last time I met him in 2015. हम बैठे हुए थे उनके लिविंग रूम में, क्रिकेट मैच आ रहा था। मैंने बोला था संजय मामू आपको ना मैं एक दिन लॉर्ड्स भेजूंगा, because there were these two men wearing suits, drinking wine and watching the game. Because as you get older, you discover you're very isolated from the grown-up world. But as you get older, you begin to appreciate the people who have raised you, the people who have loved you, what they have gone through. And everybody has acknowledged how incredibly busy and dedicated he was. And I said, मैं ना आपको लॉर्ड्स भेजूंगा. He says, ना बेटा ना लॉर्ड्स मत भेजना मुझे, सारे मेरे पेशेंट मुझे टीवी पे देख लेंगे और फिर फोन करके बोलेंगे डॉक्टर साहब मेरा पेट खराब है. And you have to love somebody like that. And that just speaks to the availability of the individual. That वो सबके लिए थे, हमेशा थे, और कभी किसी से मांगते नहीं थे कुछ. And it's very difficult to be that way. उनकी हॉस्पिटैलिटी, उनका होम, उनका घर नहीं था, इट वाज अ प्लेस ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन. हम जब भी जाते थे उधर एक दावत लगती थी. कहाँ से खाने आए हैं, कहाँ. There was no expense spared. There was no celebration that was too small for him. And I think one thing that I really appreciate about him is prosperity. मैंने संजय मामू से सीखी है. Aspiration मैंने संजय मामू से सीखी है. He was the first person to buy a cool car, to have a cool computer. I have discovered so many things I love because of him. And yeah, and I'll miss him. And we all have to step up now because it's going to be very hard to let go of someone like him. Thank you.
Thank you.
And the daughter in the family who basically had, most years of him as a daughter. Kavya.
Kavya, where are you?
Kavya, where are you, beta?
Hi. मेरे ताऊजी सबके लिए बहुत कुछ थे. बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर थे, बहुत स्मार्ट थे, बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड थे, पर मेरे लिए वो कोई डॉक्टर नहीं थे. मेरे लिए वो सिर्फ ताऊजी थे, मेरे ताऊजी. और if I can, he was love personified for me. हमारी फैमिली में हर एक पर्सनालिटी होती है. For me, he was love personified. वो हम सारे बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे. इतना प्यार. I'm just going to share two things with him. He was the first person, actually the only adult जो हमारे बच्चों के साथ kid friendly dirty jokes हमारे साथ शेयर करते थे. सारे गंदे सुसु पोटी जोक्स सारे वही हमारे साथ शेयर करते थे और हमें बहुत मजा आता था वो सुन के. हर मील में वही गंदे जोक्स हमें सुनने को मिलते थे. And secondly, Tauji was a very good storyteller. He truly knew how to capture my attention as a 5-year-old. उनकी डाकू की स्टोरीज, 14 तलवारें इधर, 14 राइफल्स. नहीं ताऊजी, राइफल्स नहीं, हैंडगन रखेंगे इस बार. ठीक है बेटा, 14 हैंडगन्स इधर. ऐसी स्टोरीज हम सुनते थे, अब बड़ा मजा आता था. Years ago, मुझे टाइफॉइड हुआ था. I had almost 104-degree fever and I was really weak. So, Tauji, as it is, before even the sample went away, he knew I had typhoid and दवाई शुरू हो गई थी. 3 days later, the investigation came that I had typhoid. I was already halfway better. But, तो बोलते Tauji बोलते, I was better, I would sit up, तो Tauji बोलते बेटा एक पेपर लेके आओ. मैं पेपर लेके आई और एक पेन लेके आई. Tauji made typhoid cool. He was that good of a storyteller to me. So, that's इतना मजा आता था ताऊजी के साथ बातें करने में. खाना खिलाते थे, इतने प्यार से खिलाते थे कि मना नहीं कर सकते थे. मेरे गिली पिली चिली बच्चा प्लीज खा ले, बड़ी स्पेशली तेरे लिए बनाया. अब ऐसे कैसे मना कर सकते कि खाना नहीं खाना. तो पनिशमेंट देते थे तो बड़ी यूनिक पनिशमेंट. बाथरूम में लॉक कर देते थे. बाकी सारे पेरेंट्स डांट मारते थे, गुस्सा करते थे. ताऊजी गुस्सा में बाकी मैं नहीं आगे बताऊंगी क्या क्या होता था, वो हमारी फैमिली के अंदर की बहुत प्राइवेट मैटर्स है. तो अगर ताऊजी जाते जाते भी 2 चीजें हमें सिखा गए. फर्स्ट, टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, एंड अगर always move forward with determination, hope, and with a smile on your face. And secondly, live every day of your life to the fullest with love and compassion. And उतनी एनर्जी के साथ जितना वो डांस फ्लोर पे लाते थे. तो लास्ट फ्यू डेज एक और चीज बोलनी है. द लास्ट फ्यू डेज आई वाज एबल टू सॉर्ट ऑफ टेल माई सेल्फ दिस. आई थिंक ताऊजी इतने अच्छे डॉक्टर थे that even the God wanted him back कि कोरोना वायरस प्लीज ठीक कर दो, मुझसे हो नहीं रहा. That's why he wanted him back. So ये थे मेरे ताऊजी.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Then the life moved on. We came to Noida. उस टाइम मामा जी यहीं थे, हम भी, and Arun Rajan were growing up. And I think they were, जैसे मामा जी हमारे बड़े भाई थे, not मामा जी, rather we were class fellows of Arun Rajan. Right? Now I can see Rajan, just very short. I think we'll go further from here. 1 minute.
Namaste to everybody. It's been overwhelming listening to everybody over the last hour, to say the least. Sanjay Bhaiya meant so much to so many, but to hear all these stories, it is really overwhelming, and I've had flashbacks of memories as I'm hearing this. तो बचपन से ही जानते हैं संजय भैया को, छोटू भैया को. आपकी छोटू भैया की शादी अमृतसर में हुई, तब से मेमोरीज शुरू हुई. संजय भैया हम सारे बच्चों को 5-5 रुपए देते थे रोज के, हम जाके चॉकलेट खरीद के लाते थे. Time moved on, we became older kids, and Noida में आप लोग डॉक्टर्स बन के establish हुए. He used to work so hard, and I could see that growing up as a kid. He inspired us so much passively. मुझे याद है उनके हाथ छिले होते थे स्कूटर चला के when he first started, but he was always smiling, never complaining. डॉक्टर बनने का सोचा था बचपन से ही, and I'm sure I was inspired by both of you a lot, and continued to be over the years. Similarly, as Abhinav shared, Sanjay Bhaiya gave us a lot of our firsts also. We had a unique relationship, as Ajay Bhaiya mentioned. He could be a friend, he could be a father figure, he could be a cousin brother whenever the need arose. He could give us advice, he could take us to party, he could do all that. एक दो बातें याद रह जाती हैं. One of them was He used to say कि क्लास में फर्स्ट आता रहे, उसके बाद सब कुछ माफ है. अब फर्स्ट आने के लिए सारा टाइम निकल जाता था और करूं क्या मैं? बदमाशी करने का टाइम ही नहीं बचता था. Second thing he used to say was, he taught us to be fearless and he taught us the importance of family. He said, कुछ भी हो जाएगा, घर तो आने देंगे वापस माँ बाप. Your parents will always be there. Never be scared. You can always come back to them. You can be honest. And I have similar memories as other people have shared. He had the biggest heart and always cared for us like his own children, his own younger brothers. He's left a very, very big vacuum, which is going to be hard to fill, but we will remember all the memories and learn from him. Simply to say in one line, I would say he was the best human being I ever met. And may he rest in peace, and we will continue to remember him, and he'll always be with us.
Thanks.
Then we had life goes on, and Sanjay had some personal issues and many problems professionally also, and this is a part of life. I think we all go through.
He showed tremendous resilience to pick up
He
the
had-
pieces and carry on with life, and that is a major lesson that he has taught all of us. Never give up.
And the endurance, what I learned from him is, that's what I can say. And during those days, one person who really modified his personality, rather who taught him how to live life for yourself also, and you mentored him. I think we must mention here Dr. Harsh Jolly, if he's around. He's a person. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Jolly.
I know we're running short of time. I'll just take a couple of minutes. I first met him almost more than 30 years ago when he joined Gangaram Hospital. Young, handsome, vibrant, strong, dedicated professional, highly intelligent, very committed to patients, always smiling, and people used to turn to him always. So I first met him when he was doing as a student. Then he moved out of Gangaram Hospital. We rejoined when we started at Noida Medicare Center, and he joined for the transplant work along with that for nephrology. For him was coined the word transplant physician, which now everybody else carries with a lot of honor. The word was first used for him, transplant physician. And he did it with full honor and grace. We had good times, we had difficult times. During all this, he had his smile on his face, never let people know what is going on inside his heart, but he was always brave and smiling. The good thing about him, which I can remember, keep it very short, was that he was a very devoted son. He was a very loving brother. He was a doting brother. And he looked after his nephews and his nieces and people. All his patients loved him. He was a very giving person. Somebody mentioned a little earlier. He had this phrase. He said, when you have given everything you have got, then give of yourself. And this is what he did. He used to give of himself. And right through the years, we had good days, bad days. But one thing I do know, he was fiercely protective of those people he cared for. Now, I being a surgeon and him being a physician, the temperaments were directly opposite. So I used to be always volatile, and he used to step in front of me and literally protect me from whatever mess I was getting myself into. And that is something you can't forget. He was driving a car when I was trying to go faster. And he says, sir, kuch nahi, 5 minute baad pahunch jayenge. That forbearance, that strength, directly opposite. And one final thing, with all the difficulties he faced through life and all the good days that came later, I have never heard him speak one swear word or one foul language. Never. It is amazing Even when he got upset, whatever, I mean, for us in Delhi, it just slips out of your tongue without even knowing what you are saying. Not one swear word, ever. It's a mark of the man. And I think God has taken him. It is a shock to all of us. But yes, we should remember him as a wonderful, great human being. We are all blessed to have known somebody like him. We're all blessed to have known somebody like him. And all strength to his family, to his wife and children. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to remember him.
As Dr. Jory said, thank you, Dr. Jory. As he said, he was devoted doctor, and he was so much devoted that the patients became his friends in due course of time. And an amazing personality, amazing memory. He remembered everybody's name. Everybody's name. And one of those patients, I think, became his very dear friend, is Amit Khemka. Is he around?
He was.
I think he was. Minnie?
Yes, I am here. Just like Dr. Ajay said that his patients became his friends. My dad, who's a doctor and also a long-time patient of his, has something to say here, though Dr. Sanjay's loss is a personal loss, but I have to read this note that he has sent. This is from one doctor to another. Dear Sanjay, sometimes I feel that I was introduced to you by your friend Vineet because you were going to play a very important role in the years to come in my life. The role of a lifesaver, not once, but twice at very critical stages of my life. Doctors like you never ever give up on their patients, even if they are old and frail with many odds stacked against them. You always fought for their lives like a brave soldier. I know there would be many people who would feel the same about you. There are not many left amongst our doctor community who would stand as tall as you did as a doctor and as a human being. Especially in this time of a pandemic when many of us lose our nerve, you were helping people till the end. हर आंख अश्कबार है, हर दिल गमजदा, ये कौन आज उठकर जहां से चला गया. लेकिन संजय, मैं सोचता हूं तुम एक फरिश्ते हो, तुम कहीं नहीं जा सकते, तुम यहीं हो हमारे बीच, या जहां भी कोई दुखता दिल होगा. डॉक्टर तो बहुत हैं इस जहां में, एक से एक बढ़कर, पर तुम सिर्फ एक डॉक्टर नहीं थे, सिर्फ डॉक्टर नहीं थे. God bless you, my dear, to carry your goodness from here to beyond. Rest in peace, my son. It is a loss a father can never come to terms with. Your beautiful smile will always warm the hearts of those you left behind. God bless. God bless, Dr.
Thank you, Minnie. Thanks a lot to Uncle. And I think may God bless him lots of health in future. फिर जी जिंदगी चल दी गई. And good times came. Very good times came. Professionally, personally, Ashima came into our life. And through Ashima's family became very close. I won't be able to speak. I'll request Anita. Is Anita around?
Yes, Ajay, I'm there.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Dr. Amit Khemka, Sanjay's, friend, patient friend, whatever. Yeah.
I have, everybody has spoken so good. In fact, nobody could find anything bad or anything which is negative in that person. And actually it runs through the family, as some of the friends said. It is with Ajay, it is with Manju, it is with Ashima, it is with uncle, auntie, Didi. Everybody, everyone has all those qualities actually. I was one person who is honored to be on Sanjay's side during his tough times. You know, when a person is going through tough times, he starts harboring ill will. But I, in spite of my so close association with him during those times, I never found him having any ill will for anybody. There were people who did bad to him. There were people who were not good with him. But he never told me that I want a revenge. He never told me that let us, he will just say, let us get out of this and then let us go ahead. He was one person who loved everything material, but he was never greedy. He loved everything material, like children just said, that he would have cars, he would have food, he would have everything, but he will never be greedy. When you will meet him, he will have all the time for you. You will feel as if he has all the time for you. But somehow he will square up things in a very short time. I have never seen a doctor keeping Harrison on his side. He will actually cite to the patients from Harrison. He will show them that, look, this is what I'm saying, this is what is written here. Why was he doing that? He was only not wanting to impose himself on you. He wanted you to be comfortable with him. I mean, I have no other friend, I have no other person in my life who was like him. It was absolutely an honor to be his lawyer, to be his friend, to be his patient, to be his brother. You know, he always wanted good of you. He would say, Khemka ji, gaadi kab badal rahe ho? Khemka ji, ghar kab le rahe ho? Khemka ji, office kab le rahe ho? You know, he was always wanting something. You know, why would he be concerned whether I have a car or I have a better car or not? But he would. He was. I don't know why he was wanting good of everybody. Of course, we have lost a very, very precious part of our life. But as everybody said, that we all must also use him as our teacher. We must understand that whenever adversities are there, we just have to think how Sanjay would have done it or how Sanjay would have reacted to it. Ajay, Ashima, children, the whole family, I am always with you. Whenever you need me or whenever you need us, we'll always be there. Of course, you all deserve that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Then life moved on and great times continued. We made many good friends and we are still together. And I would like to name the here. Yogesh, Puneet, Neeraj, RK, Hasija, we used to call them V6. I would not invite anybody of those people. I think most of you must have known them, met them with any short of time. Now I think Ashima wants to say something, and thank you all.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I'd like to thank you for being online and for giving us an opportunity to hear a lot of feelings from a lot of friends, family. I was very lucky when I was asked, I was forced to meet Sanjay by my cousin, my sister, Anita Didi. Anita Didi always had a tendency to always praise her in-laws. So I wanted to confirm. Hence I asked my friend Neera Chopra, who was working in NMC, to confirm, I mean, is this the right person? Should I go and meet him? And that is when I met Sanjay at Keval Kochar uncle's house. So we met each other in a great hurry. I don't think even he was interested to meet me. And then he cracked a joke, which was a rather harmless joke. And I could see a simple person in him. And then he wanted to leave immediately because he said his patients were waiting and he did not want to waste time, and traveling time would have taken longer. So hence he came back from Delhi to Noida. I truly fell in love with this man when we were gradually knowing each other and we were trying to understand each other. And he told me one day that between the two of us, we have 4 elderly children to look after. And this is when I thought, this is a man I can trust who can help me even look after my parents, because being an only child, I was managing the health issues and a lot of personal issues of my parents, just like he was alone. My life changed that day, and I know that I was not alone. He gave me a beautiful life, a lovely family, very loving friends who I know I can trust. And Sanjay, you gave me the best time of my life. You made me a mother of 2 beautiful, lovely daughters and taught me to live to the fullest. Made me see the whole world with a different eye. Taught me to stay happy, continue to carry out responsibility with smile. I'm told that when a person leaves, the person only leaves the body while the soul remains. I hope that you will continue to remind me that in some form or the other, to live my remaining life like you, and I'd always love you wherever you are. Please continue to guide me. Thank you for the great 15 years of life. Thank you. Want to say something? So my kids want to say something. Harsha. Bolo.
My dad was the best dad in the whole universe. There is no one like my dad.
Thank you all for giving us time.
A last prayer before we.
Sorry. I know he would have liked me crying like this.
For the last prayer, as we say bye-bye. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Grateful for everyone's presence. Take care and stay safe, as Sanjay would have wanted all of you to be. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। धूप में छाँव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो। हम सहने से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल आवारा था वो, यार हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। को कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो।
आज संजय फिर फर्स्ट आ गया। Thank you and bye bye. Bye Sanjay. Bye everybody. Thanks a lot.